Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka arpa praterik mentau benai kelalingkon arajar kat kendai ke UDP kelapan paru ya kajing Pyrshah halor ke citizenship amendment bill jong ke sarkar pleng bat kelaya thuru ban nakaliang jong ke UDP kan om pediang ya kini kaan bat kan yai Pyrshah ya ke sarkar NDA halor kini ke bill ke UDP kelapan kreru ban pha da kajing Thoh syabaro ki Myntri Rangbah jong ke jela kini ke Thaiñ Shatei la Mihngi ban penpau ya kini kajing Pyrshah halor kini ke bill.
Today we have adopted the resolution on this that we highly oppose this bill because the center under the BJP government had piloted and sponsored this bill to regularize it so that it becomes an act, becomes a law. And then inviting all those people, the Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jain, Parsis, Christian communities of Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh, that they could come to India and become Indian citizens. We feel that citizenship issue should be dealt with within the law of the Citizenship Act and the Illegal Migrants Act. There is an Illegal Migrant Act, and at the same time there is also a Citizenship Act. So under these relevant acts, the question of citizenship should be dealt with, not for the purpose of vote investment, not for the purpose of vote investment, as done by the BJP. And this will threaten the security of the country in general and of the Northeast in particular. Because in 1998, the then governor of Assam, S.K. Sinha, Lieutenant General S.K. Sinha, in 1998, he has written to the government of India, to the President of India. He has written to the President of India in 1998 about several lakhs of people from Bangladesh who infiltrated to India. 1998. He has written to the President of India in 1998. The government of India did not do anything. And that is why Assam has been agitating from beginning till now. Several, like the ASU, and then now AGP, and many other political parties and social organizations, they have been agitating against this infiltration 1997, 1996 from Bangladesh to India, and particularly to Assam. And when the population increases in Assam, infiltration comes to Assam, do you think, are we far behind? We will be also affected. Meghalaya will be the first, and other northeastern states will follow up in the adverse effect of this illegal infiltration by foreigners.